Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
The Python Temple in the coastal town of Ouidah is one of the most fascinating sacred sites in West Africa. As a Voodoo shrine and tourist attraction, it provides unique insights to Benin's rich heritage and cultural beliefs. This ancient temple, also known as Temple da Python, has been a cornerstone of Ouidah's cultural identity for over 300 years. I visited this temple to learn about the history of the python.
Okay, hello, welcome to the Python's Temple. My name is Rodon Bagidi and I'm in charge of the visit. This temple existed since 800 years old now. At the beginning, it was a great forest. You know, when we talk about forest, we surely talk about trees. Outside there is the baobab tree. In the parking is the baobab tree that is more than 600 years old. But inside, we have the colonial trees. They are multi-centuries. But this one is the Iroko tree, the one that we tied with white wrapper. Is the Iroko tree that is more than 400 years. In Africa, the Iroko tree, dead or alive, is still a sacred tree. Every market day, we give some offerings, corn flour that we mix with red oil, and we give as offerings. We put some drinks like alcohol and sweet drinks. But those people who worship the python, we call them Ouidah. Those Ouidah, they have some scars in their faces, tribal scars, two on the forehead, two on each arms, and two on each cheek. Those scars are made 3 months after the birth. In the python, in our local language, we call it Dagbe, which means goodness. We have the male and the female. The male is naturally short. That is the male. We call the male Dagbe Pong because it's short. And this is the female. The female is Tre because it's very long. So those are the difference. The male is long, the male is short, and the female is long. Okay, let's continue. Talking about. Yes. Two on the forehead, two on each arms, and two on each cheek. As you can see here. That is it. You can see it also over there. Those are the scars. This is the sanctuary of the temple. When we talk about sanctuary, we talk about the holy place. So we are lucky today that the wrapper that is there is open because today is a market day. So every market day they open the wrapper and you can see inside. That stone standing there is the representation of the spirit of the python. That is it. And when we open the wrapper every market day, we give offerings, as you can see there. And only initiated people can go inside there. If you are not initiated, you cannot go. But initiated, before they get inside, they have to take off the shoes, they have to remove the caps, and women in menstruation, they are not allowed to go there. The wall that you see inside there was built in 1727. It was in 1992 that they add the pillars and the women, just to protect the inside. This one is a label of UNESCO that we received in 2019. Right behind you, we have the sacred jar. We use it for purification ceremony. Every 7 years here at Ouidah, we make a ceremony, and the priestess of the temple is the one to turn up the jar. She chooses 41 virgin girls, as you can see on the wall. Those are the virgin girls. They go to the river to fetch water. When they get the water, they come back like that, and they pour the water inside the jar. And 41 priests, voodoo priests from the locality, they come with some leaves, purification and healing leaves. So those leaves, they mix the leaves together with the water to make purification water. Is a jar, sacred jar. So that water, the secret water, they use it to purify all the city. And when the jar is empty, they put it back like that. They close it. It will make 7 years before they turn it up for another ceremony. We did it last time in October, but the next time will be in 2031.
So they use this jar
To purify all the city. Yes, that is it. So during the same ceremony, those worshippers who have commit a forbidden, like as a forbidden over there, I told you that we don't enter inside the sanctuary with shoes, with caps, and women in menstruation, they don't go there. Those are the forbidden. Apart from that, the worshippers should not see the dead body of the python. That also is a forbidden. So if anybody make mistake, they come here to be purified. That is the purification hut. Is a purification hut. They use it to purify them. And those who are sick, they get there to be purified too. This one is the hut of protection. Only the priest of the temple is allowed to get inside there. The hut has two openings. This one is the entry of every negativity, and over there at the behind the other entry uh, opening is the exit of every positivity. So when he gets inside, he gives some offerings, he makes sacrifice, and he chase out every evil spirit from the temple and from the town as well. And over there we have another divinity. We call it God of Iron. God of Iron, the origin Ogu. Yes, thank you. So the origin of God of Iron is Nigeria, Yoruba ethnic. The Yoruba people, they call it Orisha Ogun. We will call it Ogu. But the Afro descendant like Brazilian and Haitian, they call this divinity Ogu Ferai. Ferai because it's made up with only metal. So this divinity protects those who touch metal in the work from work accidents. So like mechanics, blacksmiths, carpenters, drivers, and so on and so forth. Those are those who touch metal in the work. So it protects them from work accidents. It has some forbidden, like we never give anything bitter as pepper, alcohol, powder gun. We give sweet things like drinks, sweet drinks, and water to make prayers. So the orange color that you see is cornflower with palm oil that we give. That is it. Apart from that, we have the room of the pythons. Inside there, we have more than 100 python alive. The python, they yes, more than 100. They eat once or twice in a month. Yeah, yeah. The python, they are very harmless snake. They don't have fangs. They don't have venom. They can't bite you. They don't bite. They are calm. They are harmless, and they don't do anything harmful. So inside there, we don't give them food inside, but we give them food outside. Before,
you bring them out to feed them.
yeah, but not here. They have the vivarium over there where we feed them. So before we release them, but today we cannot do that anymore. We never release them anymore because they can be scratched by the vehicles. So we protect them more inside there. So they eat rats, duckling, mouse, small chicken, and eggs. So they swallow them because they don't have, no, they have teeth, but they cannot eat with their teeth. They just swallow them.
So these snakes are enjoying.
Sorry?
They are enjoying.
Yes, they are enjoying. They are enjoying. That is it. So I will bring one outside, and we're going to touch. We're going to put around our neck to snap beautiful pictures. But before that, yes, at the end. So the python, if they are in the nature, the life duration is 15 to 20. But in captivity, they are well protected, well fed, so they may go to, they extend to 30, even 40. It depends.
40 years.
Yes, 40 years.
So that's if they're in captivity right now.
Yes, exactly.
They are outside on their own.
Yes, they are attacked sometime, and they may die from disease. That is it. So when the python pass away, they bury them in the cemetery over there. They have the cemetery, but only initiated can go there. They bury them as human beings. Yeah, because they are divinities. After the burial, we make a ceremony to incarnate the spirit inside the sanctuary. Yes, that is it. They may die from accidents, disease, and old age. So before we touch the python, we have to clean our hands. Come closer. No, it's not. It's not any initiation. If you know hyssop leaf, you will know what I'm talking about. This is hyssop leaf. We use it for purification. It's natural in Africa, and every African knows that. If you, I don't know if you know the leaf I'm talking about. It's a purification leaf, the first one all over the world. Even in church, we use it. In Psalm 51, David said, "Purify me with hyssop leaf, I will be pure like snow." So we use it in the church. I'm not a pastor. That is it. So we just clean both hands. You wash both hands with it, and okay, hold it. You wash both hands just like that. You take a little bit. Hold the camera for him to. Okay, so you wait for me outside. I'll bring the python before we get inside. Huh? You see, the skin is very smooth. It's very soft. Come and touch it. Yes, you come and touch. Try to feel. Is very soft. Try to touch it and see how you found it. Yes, very soft. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So you're going to put around your neck. You try first. Come. No, don't be scared. Don't be scared. It cannot bite you. They are naturally harmless. Natural. No. Don't shout. Don't shout.
I'm not shouting. I'm a man.
No, don't shout. Don't shout. Don't shout.
Okay.
We are in a temple. So in temple, we don't shout. They can't bite you.
So this is the python.
It cannot
on my
bite you.
neck. Okay, I'm not scared right now.
Yeah,
But,
don't be scared.
you know what we say about python.
Okay, have you finished with the picture?
Look cool.
Video, that, okay. Let me take the picture quickly.
Hi guys, this is the python. It doesn't bite. Hold on, let me go. It doesn't bite, and they said we are non-poisonous. Yeah, I think I'm safe.
Yeah, you are safe.
Yeah.
Take this one.
Whew.
Yeah, we have a bigger one, but I cannot bring it outside. Let's take off our shoes. We get inside to see the remaining one. Yes, get it. Let's get inside. Yes. Okay, yes, come in. So you see them, there are plenty inside. Those are the biggest one I was talking about. This one is one of the biggest female. One of the biggest female. Yes, one of the biggest. Because we have plenty females here, plenty biggest female. You see? One of the biggest female that we have here. Yeah. So that one is a male. The one up over there is a male. Is a male. So the males and the females, they are together. If they stay together, is to warm themselves, and they mate inside here. We bring them inside the forest. So inside the forest, the female, they lay eggs. Yes, when the eggs hatch, we bring the babies here. So we have some of the babies, but they are well protected by the elders. They are well protected by the biggest one.
What's this head doing here?
Sorry?
No, this.
The head. Oh, yes, is the representation of the divinity. See it well. It's a representation of the divinity. Yeah. So that is the holy water that they drink every time. Yes, there is a snake. That snake is cooling down. If they want to cool themselves, they get inside the water. Yeah. They can breathe inside water. Yeah. So as you can see, both water, they are holy water. That is the water they drink. They all know that there is water. If they are thirsty, they get them to drink and get back. That is it. So as you can see, this place is shaped into key size. You will see that the shape is like a key. Yes, you can get close, no problem. It's like a key. So it's the spiritual world. Yes, inside there, the hole that you see. So it's inside there that we put our wishes and prayers. So if you have any wish, if you have any prayer, it's inside there that we do them. Those stairs that you see there, the three stairs, they are the three steps to the spiritual world. Yeah, if you want to make prayers, you get inside there, you get them. Yeah. No, no, it's not necessary. It's not necessary. If you can stay here and stretch both hands and make your prayers. That is it. So those stairs in the church, when we say in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, it make three numbers. So it's the same thing here. The three stairs to the spiritual world. Because those numbers, when we say 1, 3, 7, 9, 14, and 41, those are sacred numbers. Yes, sacred numbers that we use. Because when we take men's, they have 7 bones here. No, no, no. Sorry, it's 9. Men's have 9. And women, they have 7. That is it. Those are sacred numbers. That is it. They are tired. They are tired. Yes, we don't bring them out. We don't want to disturb them. Yes, yes. Meter. Okay, so we can get outside. Let me carry one.
We just finished at the Python temple and it has been amazing so far. Well, the Python are cool, they are cool, and I think they are lovely as well. So, yeah, so keep following this trip and keep enjoying this video. Bye.